Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we will be creating this makeup look. So for this makeup look I am I'm not only using, but I am using the James Charles palette from Morphe, and I'm just using like one glitter, which is from Beauty Creations. You guys will see. So it's a nice pinkish purplish berry, dark raspberry looking eyeshadow. So I hope you guys like it. If you guys would like to see how I created this look, make sure to stick around and keep on watching. Okay guys, so like I said, I will be creating this look. I know it looks a little bit dramatic, and I know it's not blended properly, but I'll go ahead and do what I did on this eye to this eye. So, and let me tell you, I did mess up on the glitter, on how I applied it. I should have used the glitter primer, but I didn't. But you'll guys see. So the colors that I'll be using mostly will be these three colors, which the colors are Skip, Single, and Escape. I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelid area. So it's my first time trying this e.l.f. Primer, and I've heard a lot of good stuff. That's why I got it when I went to Ulta, but I don't like it at all. My eyelids, they look really dry. I don't know if you guys could see, but my eyelids are looking really dry. I don't know if I have to like moisturize it or something before, or I don't like it because makes my eyelid look really dry. It sort of reminds me of the e.l.f. Sorry, not the e.l.f. the Morphe eyeshadow primer, because I get the same results. So sometimes I like using concealer better than, you know, actual eyeshadow primers. Give me 1 second. So after I primed my eye, I will be taking this Beauty Creations like a smudge brush, and I will be taking the color Skip on the James Charles palette. So it's this last one, kind of like a hot pink color. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I only did it till halfway. And then I will be using my AOA Studios E132 brush, and it's pretty much the same brush. And I will be taking the color Single, so it's a light purple, and I will be doing the same thing, so just smudging it. I'm not doing like my actual eyelid because I will be cutting it. Okay, and then I will be taking my Amore's Premium Pro Makeup Blending Brush. This is the number 107. Again, similar to the other brushes. For my crease, I will be using the color Escape. looks like that. And after I am done with that, I will be using my Pro Conceal. For this, I will be using my BH Cosmetics flat brush. And let's hope it comes out the same way as the other eye. As well, the Beauty Creations, the first brush that I used, and I'll be blending this part pretty much all the way over here. You won't be able to notice it. Okay, so now for the fun part, I will be using my Beauty Creations small glitter, and for this I will be using the Morphe M124 brush, and I will be lightly spraying it with the, you can use it with any, even with water. Sorry guys. Like this. So there is a lot of fallout too with this glitter. This doesn't help at all. So what I'll be doing, I'll be since I haven't set my face, I'm just gonna set my face with the Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Setting Spray. And I will be doing a giveaway. Just make sure to stay tuned for that. I'm just waiting to get a little bit more subscribers, that way everyone can have a chance to participate. So I'll just be setting my face. Make sure you get your eyes, that way the glitter can set as well. And I really like how this setting spray smells. It's my first time using it right now, so and I'm just gonna remove all of the, there's a lot of glitter, so there's a lot of fallout. So then, using again my Beauty Creations smudge brush, I'll be taking the color Skip. We're gonna apply some mascara before we apply the lashes. So I am using the Essence Get Big Lashes 3 Triple Black Mascara. Cute packaging. Kind of goes with the look that I'm doing, purple and pink. We're gonna take Spooky, which is the black color, and we're just gonna lightly put it in the brush. Then we're gonna go ahead and line the eyes. Meanwhile, the mascara is drying up, and I will be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. So that's the eyeliner I got. Now let's go on to lashes. Okay, so for lashes, we are doing the Ardell Professional Fox Mink eyelashes. And again, I bought them at Ulta, and it comes with a pack of 4. I will be using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and it's in the color Clear. Okay, so the camera cut off, but I already I lined my waterline, and this is the finished look, and I honestly love it. I think this eye might have needed a little bit more black, but I like it. Actually, no, yeah, but this is the finished look. I really like it a lot. I will be listing all of the products down below in the description box. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, give a like to this video, and comment if you have any suggestions, any feedback for me. And don't forget to follow my social medias. You can follow me on Facebook, Makeup Loves Evelyn, and my Instagram, Glamour by Evelyn. I don't have a Twitter, I don't have a Snapchat. Besides that, I think we're all done. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully next video is a giveaway, and I'll keep you guys posted. Bye.